Assalamu alaikum, this is Naushin Aftar and I'm the teacher of kindergarten and we have made a farm. Now Fatma is going to tell you about the farm animals.
You can see this is a hen, this is a horse.
We have made this farm with recycled material. You can also try this. How to sort the colors and learn to differentiate the colors. We can use car sheets, some pom-pom, toy cup. This activity will also help your child in using fine motor skills.
Encourage your children. Your children learn in a better way.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Naushin Aftar and I'm the teacher of kindergarten at King's House School, London. So you can see that this is a class project basically, and we have made a farm. Here you can see that we have made this farm with recycled material. Meet Fatma, she is my student. Now today, Fatma and I are going to tell you about this farm project. So this is a barn and which we have made this barn with, Fatma, what? With cardboard. Yes, thank you so much, Fatma. These are the fences you can see here, which we have made with
The ice cream stick.
Yes, this is a pond you can see here. We have made this pond with
Stones, paper.
Thank you, Fatma. Now, these are the grass you can see here, which we have made with
Stone.
Yes. In the rest of the area, we put some sands to cover the empty space. Now here, after completing this project, what we have made, we placed the farm animals. Now Fatma is going to tell you about the farm animals.
You can see this is a hen, this is a horse, this is a cow, this is a sheep, and this is a duckling. Thank you.
Okay, so you can see that we have made this farm with recycled material. You can also try this activity at your home with your children by using DIY materials.
We have this another DIY activity for your young ones to learn how to sort the colors and learn to differentiate the colors. So it is quite easy as you can make it at home using few things. For example, we can use car sheets, toy cup, some pom-poms and pegs. Now I'm going to show you how to perform this activity with your young ones. Using 2 fingers and 1 thumb, you need to hold the peg. Take the red pom-pom and drop through the cylindrical. Then your child will take the yellow color pom-pom and drop it in cylindrical. This activity will also help your child in using fine motor skills. I hope this is a valuable activity you have learned today, and I hope you can make this at home. Thank you.
Here you can see that the addition machine is here, and we have made this addition machine again with recycled material. What I have used, I took a shoebox, paper, then disposable glass and tape, and you can see that the pom-poms are here. Okay, so here you can see that my other student is here. His name is Isa, and he is going to add this number through this addition machine. So Isa, you have your first equation. Now what is the first number in your first equation? First you have to tell me what is the first number.
4,
And what is the second number?
6.
Okay, now you have to add these 2 numbers. Come on. Now you have to count, Isa, that how many numbers you have. How many, pom-poms you have. Yeah.
2.
So how many pom-poms you have, Isa?
I have 10 pom-pom in my hand.
Very good, Isa. I hope that you love this activity. Please do this activity with your kids at your home and try to share your pictures with us. Thank you.
These all are some interactive activities. I would like to advise the parents, if you're using these activities at your home, please make sure that you use one activity at a time. Encourage your children. Remove all the distractions. And not only that, allow a little failure. In this way, your children learn in a better way.